In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a file upload form in WordPress, simple and easy. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. We'll work inside the site editor so we can place the form exactly where we want it. Open the editor and navigate to the page or template where the form should live. An About page is a great spot for this demo. Once the page loads in the editor, click into the section of the layout where you want the form to appear so your cursor is ready. Add a short intro line to guide visitors on what to upload. Something like attach your resume or upload your project files. Clear instructions right above the field reduce confusion and improve the quality of submissions. Now, add the form. Open the block inserter and search for Form. If your editor offers a pre-built contact form, insert that as a starting point. With the form on the page, click inside it to add a new field and choose the File or File Upload field. This creates the control that lets visitors pick a file from their device. Select the File field so its settings appear. Update the label to something specific. For example, upload your PDF resume. If the upload is required, toggle the required option on. In the field's settings, look for accepted file types and add only what you need, like .pdf, .docx, or .png. It's also a good idea to mention the maximum file size right in the help text. Keep in mind your site's server limits. If you expect large files, check your hosting and WordPress media settings so uploads don't fail silently. While you're here, confirm where submissions go. Many form tools send an email and also store entries in a feedback area. Make sure the notification address is correct and the subject line is descriptive so you can spot new uploads quickly. Update the Submit button text to something clear like Submit Files. When everything looks right, click Save in the top corner. If you're prompted to confirm changes to the page or template, confirm to finalize. After saving, open a preview of the page and do a quick test. Type a short message, upload a small sample file of an allowed type, and submit. Verify that you received the notification and that the file is accessible in your submissions. That's it. You've added a clean, secure file upload form to your WordPress site, placed it exactly where visitors need it, and configured it with clear labels, sensible restrictions, and reliable notifications.